Hello everybody, my name is Caden, and today, me and Jeff decided to play Risk of Rain. We're semi-new to the game, and we decided to have a little fun. Our first run didn't go so well, since we figured out the fact that Jeff can only play for 30 minutes before the peer-to-peer internet disconnects him entirely. So we made a challenge for today's video. Get to beat the game before Jeff disconnects. See, that's pretty hard to do with how me and him act, especially with rogue type games. But we gave it a try, and I'll just say it didn't go that well. The R ability is kind of hard to hit because if they move, I have to re-aim it. Hey, there's another left totem here.
So I want to find the border.
Oh my god, I got an energy drink.
Wait, can I get all the movement shit? Because I really fucking need it.
Yeah, I'll give you it. No, I barely have any movement too. What do you mean? You have like a big jump. I don't.
Look
at him, and he said he needs movement. Yeah, you're right. I mean, I'm also not that far range though. My M2 is an act. I crash with 40 damage. No, he does 40 damage. Oh, we're better. I love Porter, I know. Look at him, and he says he needs movement. Look at that, bro. If only I could hit my shots, but I'm trash at this game. Oh, I thought we were killing all these guys. Hold on. All right, let go.
Okay. What's up, big dog?
Ah!
Boosh!
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Melee.
I'm invisible.
Melee.
Jeff. Ah! Oh, that was clean.
What is this? Jumping while sprinting boosts you forward? Oh, that's nice.
Oh, yeah, that's clean. That's movement. That's movement, yep.
So ready for next level.
Alright, let's go.
Divine.
Another war banner I just dropped. We're already at stage 2.
We got to stage 4, right?
Yeah, we got to stage 4 and then you lagged out.
Let me do one. Let me dot a bug.
It's a good thing we got all these healing drones, huh? What the heck is that? Lunar coin. Oh! Equipment barrel. Orpheus drums. Wait, I got your things. I got the frenzy.
Oh,
I mean, you're melee. Yeah, so your first hit is gonna do a crap. What?
With my shift. Oh my god.
You're lying.
Come here. Look at this. Look for the wall.
I don't want to. I don't want to, you freak. Chance to fire a missile? Oh, I got a little drone on my back now.
Whip, grab it.
Yoink.
Move faster. I don't need movement to do.
You realize that now?
Oh yeah.
And he says he needs movement. Yep, right there. I was right.
Alright, let go.
I'm always right. Beetle Queen.
Come here, bitch. Bop.
I just did 3,000 damage. Hold on, look at my damage. Hold on, frenzy.
Let me grab a mine right on her. Look at that.
My R ability just did 1,000 damage.
Oh, she's dead.
Bro. Wait.
Put the recycler on me. If we have an item we don't need, I'll just recycle. I wish
Bro's a walking trash can.
Yeah, focus pistol. Deal bonus damage to nearby enemies. That's literally perfect.
Wow, you only have to be nearby, dude.
That is literally perfect.
Jeff, we're in insane difficulty. We gotta go, bro.
I'm gonna fly off the map! Oh my god! My movement potential is crazy! Alright, let's go. Hi.
What the fuck? What the frick?
1,000 damage.
Oh my god!
I can stick myself to him and I'm just
dead!
doing damage. What?
I'm dead! I died!
Huh?
I'm dead!
What?
Nick, stop!
How?
I don't know, but I died! I believe in you, you got this! Don't go flying off the map, please!
You killed my friend! You're gonna die for that! You're gonna pay! Huzzah!
Bro's playing Attack on Titan, what the heck?
You killed my friend!
Using the 3D maneuver gear, bruh. Proceed, go! Go!
Let me pick up.
Go!
Go,
fat boy!
Let me pick up some shit.
Grab both of them and watch your mouth.
I will recycle. Let me recycle.
I will recycle.
I cannot recycle.
Pick it up.
Next level.
Oh my god, I died so fast.
You better respawn.
You have bison meat on your chest. You got a big old juicy steak on you.
Let's go.
No!
What is that?
It just hit me to no HP.
Oh, I'm almost dead. I'm dead actually. Oh, I'm almost dead. I'm dead actually. What is that thing? Alright, next one.
I'm so used to the pistols.
I don't know. Should I stick with loader?
Nah.
I don't like how unversatile he is. Drizzle. Fucking drizzle. Oh. Yeah.
And multiple spawn, the more kills I have, so I'll just...
Alright, can should we start in the boss?
I guess. We got none to lose, huh? The first boss is always the hardest boss. Are you kidding? Ow! I'm healing from my plant,
Stay very far away from the boss.
Easy, GG's.
Alright, go.
Alright.
Complete the first
Wait, how'd you get verified?
You have to beat it, but wait, but you should have got it too.
I didn't get it.
You beat the first level in below 5 minutes.
Why didn't I get it?
It's 6 minutes 23 seconds. What?
I want that thing though. I want this. Think fast, Chuck.
Go point.
I set her on fire up here. I'm not taking any damage whatsoever. Yeah, she's just constantly burning.
Yep.
Alright,
Constantly
cool.
dead.
This.
Building
Okay. Okay. Alright. Okay.
Good.
That's cool. That's so cool. The shield and the stun grenade are terrible. Let's see what the teddy bear does.
The
Teddy bear.
The teddy bear. Okay. I should not have opened this. I should have opened this. I got frenzy.
I should have took that from you.
What? Oh, hello. I have never seen this. Frenzy.
Oh, he dragged me in! No, he literally has a chain ability like Scorpion from Mortal Kombat.
Oh.
I swear I heard him say, "Get over here, bro." Alright, let go. Light work. Man, get in the sight, bro. You out of sight.
I'm in here.
Hey, yo, what's good, man?
Yeah, you're gonna explore everywhere. Oh, new map? No, yeah, no? I don't know. Wait, yeah, I think this is the map we died on.
This is a perfect map for me. Hey,
I don't know.
you can't take all the money for yourself.
You want the wax? For some reason I can't pick it up. Yeah, take the wax, bro. I can't. You take the rest of the money. Stick the wax, bro. I disconnected.
You what? I hate you so much.
I hate you so much. Wait, new character. Whoa.
Welcome back, everyone. We had to stop the recording because Jeff DC'd again.
No.
Because he had Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege running in the background the entire time. Don't lie to the viewers.
Okay.
Don't lie. Don't lie.
Anyways, new
Tell them what you
character.
did. No, tell them what you
Anyways,
did.
new character. Just move
Alright.
around, try to buy as much shit as possible, and then let's just move to the box instantly.
Oh! Look at the red whip.
How fast would I move? Hold on. Oh my god!
Alright. Let go. Oh wait, I forgot to start my recording again. Please don't come after me first.
Please go after him, sir.
Yeah, go after him.
I'm just eating his booty cheeks. Oh, hello. What's this level? What you eating? What you eating? Why the fuck?
It's your connection. It's your connection.
My connection is fine though.
Cause now I just DC'd from your game. That's home. Back to another Risk of Rain video.
Day 2.
Last time we failed miserably because this guy over here had crappy Wi-Fi. All right. All right, let's get it done.
All right, let's get it done. Bop. Bop. That's damage. That's a lot of damage. That boss is gone. Right. Oh, guess what?
What's that out of here?
Alright, legal.
I'm running up the hill. Right up to your war banner.
Let me just double my damage real quick. You know? Let me double my damage
look
again.
Look at how many bleed procs. Look at the bleed procs. I can't make that up. I'm playing Elden Ring. Oh! Wait, uh-oh. This is the map you I just found a healing drone.
What is this? Activate primordial. Oh. Shift. Destination.
Jeff, look at where I am.
Huh? What? Why are you on the ground? In.
Wait, hold on.
Go.
Cycle compound.
Drone.
There's compounds here.
Wait, we think.
Wait, it's like a puzzle.
Is
there like a hint for any of this?
Are you able to get out?
Submit formula. It's a portal. What the hell?
Why is everything red?
It's a portal. Oh wait. Triangle in the middle. Squares everywhere else. Hold on, that's what this thing shows on the side, so we're gonna try that.
There are asteroids nearby. What is... I can kill the asteroids. What are you doing to the world?
Artifact portal, I'm going in!
What?
Jeff, I made a grave mistake in my judgment, bro.
Enemies? Oh! I got teleported. What happened? What'd you do?
Ooh!
Hidden Fulcrum.
I'm sorry.
What is...
I'm sorry.
Boss?
I don't know.
Bah, enemies can only spawn as elites. Oh,
what?
shit.
Hold on. Artifact heat.
What is this?
Yo, this place
Broken emergency drone,
drone?
$1,200. Does that revive? No.
If that does, that'd be great. But nothing's spawning. Did it take all your money when you teleported too?
I gained a little bit of money.
It took our... yeah, because I've been opening up like supply crate. But
How did we
there's
get
nothing here. I don't know. Nothing's spawning.
I think this is like a vault. What about this little guy? What do you do? Hey, fella. Artifact key. I can use artifact key on him.
Oh! Do it, do it, do it. Oh shit!
I found the
Oh! Are you
Oh, I
okay?
can't put back.
Okay, good.
What happened? Oh, enemy. Wait. What are we shooting at?
Did another artifact key. Yep, every artifact key damages him.
Okay.
Alright, cool.
Oh, I got a shard. Can you use it?
No.
Maybe I can? I can.
Wow, so the game's just racist.
Maybe.
Hey! We did it!
Trial of
Trial
Honor.
of Honor.
Oh, these are trials. Sick.
Trial. Hey, portals are back over here.
How the fuck do you get over there?
Over here, come here. I fell again.
I'm
It
sure
hurts
artifact
every
portal.
time.
Alright, let's get out of here.
Hey, now we got so much more stuffs. Wait,
Loop back? Oh, wait, we're back to the
loop
first.
back to the first stage.
Oh my god, another drone. Oh my god, another drone. We're drone maxing.
Alright, I think we're good to
Another.
the
No,
teleport, Jeff.
no, one more. One more.
I need to buy it. Here I come.
Come on.
Bro,
Alright,
look
now
at
we're
the
ready.
left side. It's moist.
Alright, let's go.
Where's the... Oh my god.
That's a lot of HP. Frenzy! Open a frenzy.
They're all beaming me. I did both frenzies.
One's dead.
Another one's dead.
Close to being dead. And that's it. GG.
I wonder how long this goes on for. Let's go. Stage 7. Here we
well,
come.
let's just see how far we can go.
Look at
Okay.
the difficulty top right. I'm coming for you.
Uh-oh. Oh, no. No. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no. No, please. Please, I beg. I beg.
Jeff,
Fuck.
look at the difficulty.
Yeah, then look at the bottom left.
What about the bottom left? Oh! How'd you fucking die?
I disconnected.
You disconnected.
Alright, video over.
Yeah, video.
Okay, we are on stage 5. The furthest we've ever been. Oh, come on. Alright, let's
Cool.
go. I can gamble. I'll do it once.
Jeff, you disconnected.
Should I just try reinstalling the game?
Yes.
There's no way it's consistently disconnecting at exactly the 30-minute mark.
Alright, yeah, guys, so, Jeff had to go, yeah. He had to go pray or something, you know, I don't really know too much about that, but, yeah, it's just me, no. Motherfucker, what the hell?
Grandparent? What is that thing?
I'm scared! No! No! Get me out of it! Yeah, take this, Grandpa. Yeah, take this, Grandpa. Yeah. Old man.
Bro, we gotta do all of this in below 30 minutes.
What the fuck?
Whoa. It's so quiet. Maybe.
Long ass walk, bro. What the fudge? Uh-oh. Find a way to release the rescue. Oh, there's dead people there. Alright, let go. What did I press? I'm sorry. I didn't mean to intrude. I didn't mean to intrude. Another critical. Pure crits. What the hell? Stop! Holy, I'm pissing my pants. Bro, they're dead. Another one over there. Damn, why it pushed me out? Oh, fuck. Oh, it pushes weaker now. Ow! It hurts! It hurts, bro! It hurts! When it hurts! When I'm... What the fuck? Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
That's a really weird looking boss arena looking arena.
Oh, there's a cutscene.
There's a cutscene. It's Jover.
Boy, what the fuck is that?
Easy as well.
Man, you ain't doing shit. Did I get the loaded ranges? Oh no! Man, dumbass.
Oh, this guy's easy.
Oh! Okay, that hurt. Block. Oh my god! Okay. No, 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 no. I'm dodging. Bet you didn't make up for all those double jump, did you? Oh no. I have to jump. I have to be in the air. Like,
King. Get his ass.
Say yes, King.
Get his ass.
Say yes, King. Say yes, King.
There's stage 2.
Stop. Stop. Oh, weave. Where the hell is it? In the wall. Like, it's in the wall. Okay, I have to spam my M2. Oh, I'm hitting it? I burned him. Allow this, bro. Alright, cool.
Alright. Oh, he's back.
Fred? He told me
Fred.
Fred. Oh my god, that was fast as hell. That's so dumbass. Alright, stay in here.
Can't touch that.
God damn. Oh my god! Teddy bear, save me! What was that? Oh!
Oh my.
Nothing. King of nothing! Exactly! You're a bum! You're a bum! Zombie daddy! Zombie daddy! Someone comes towards you. You're trash. I'm better. Why are you sitting there, bro? You good? Good, bro. You good?
That's gotta be dead. He's gonna die. He's taking your skills.
My bit. Oh! I bet.
Oh no, dude.
Frail. Ah! Yes! Yes! Give me my item! Give me my items back! Yes! Yeah! Light work! So easy. Got all my items back. What? Oh shit!
Oh, get the fuck out of here.
Oh!
Yes.
Oh! Get to the ship! Haha, you been stupid.
Then you'll beat the game.
Get me out of here! No! And I'm gone. Wait.
Before the moon explodes. Who's that guy?
This is the Methrix, the guy I just killed.
Yeah.
His head just sitting there. Yeah, the king and nothing my ass. Yeah, we get exploded, dumbass. Oh shit. Oh. Oh.
Oh damn.
Oh. Okay.
Just like that.
Oh yeah. No, like rocks flying. Just.
No moon. Gone.
Yeah. No, there was no way I was surviving that. If it blew up, maybe that. No. No way. No fucking way.
Narrate
So
this.
he left with new orders and new questions. Risk of Rain 2.